Good. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Speak Persian Now. So, I hope you are doing your exercises and I hope you are enjoying what you are doing, although it might be very challenging writing Persian alphabets. So, I'm going to continue. Today, I have decided to work on two letters called Ain. Okay, this is isolated Ain, and this one is the connected one, and the last one is another form of Ain when it is connected to another to one letter on the right side and one letter on the left side. And this is actually another form as well of Ain when it is connected. The next one is with the same, form, Ghain. So this is Ain, and this one is Ghain. So we have got just one extra dot on top of the symbol, or what you can see here. So we have one form of Ghain. So that is final uh, one. This is the connected one. This is also connected to two different letters on the right and on the left. And this one is also connected to another one. So if so, let's start with writing the letters. So as you might see, Ain has got the form of hook. So it is kind of curvy. So you can just do like this. Let's see. From here, you do a semicircle, a little curvy one. So let me try another one, another. So let's say we have a semicircle and this one. So if I don't follow this strict, this baseline, I can write it much simpler than you might imagine. So one more time. So we are here, up to here, go up a little and then write it. Even I am not that good. So one more time, do like this. So as you might see here, we have this hook. So we have got this small semicircle and then you continue. So you start above the red line and then you in two movements you can write the letters, so like these, see. So this one is much better. Okay, you see, although I know this one is not very, doesn't look very beautiful, but it is pretty hard on the laptop with this pen to write. Okay, this is the isolated, or let's say the big Ain. The small one, as you can see, again, you start from the above the line, go like this. Okay, so this is the connected one. So a semicircle or curvy and like this. The next one, you do it when you connect two words together. For example, I want to write in a letter called Ba'id. As you can see, like this one here, it is connected to two letters, B and Ye. Ba'id means impossible. So this is the let's say the disconnected form. So you have got a straight line, then you go like this. Maybe I can say this is like a triangle upside down. You see, a triangle upside down. So a straight line, go to the right, the straight line like this. So it's pretty simple. I think you can do it. One more time, like a straight line, go, okay, left, sorry, right, a straight line to the left, and connect, and that's it. And this is also another form. This is one is simple. So as a bit of straight line, go, okay, do the same as we did before. So as we can see, this one, so straight line, okay. So this is ain. So the rest is easy because for gain, as you can see, we just put one dot above. So let's practice the gain as well. So gain, okay, the isolated one, the final one. So a semicircle like this. This is gain. One more, let me see if I can do it better or not. Yes, I think, yeah, it is a little bit curvy, so you can do it better than I do here. So this is the short one, like this, the connected. So the only difference is that you put a dot, okay? And this one. So I did it a little bit quicker than the other ones. And the last one here, again, like triangle and like this. That is rain. So one last point. So this letter is called ain in different forms, and gain in different forms. So ain and gain. Okay. So this is also a tricky, let's say letter, because you are going to actually confuse it with this one that is called aleph, because we have got sound like a sound, o sound, e sound, and the same goes for okay, the letter ain. But we will talk about it. I will talk about it later in the next programs that I will make for this channel. So hope you can practice enough and learn how to write the letters ain and the letters gain. So see you next time. Bye bye.